In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find vacant land lists in Propwire. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to propwire.com and enter right here your target location as well as lead types. So on my case, let's proceed to click on this sign up option in order to create an account. However, if you already have one, proceed to click on this login option. It will appear right here. On my case, I already have an account, so let me proceed to log in right here. Now here is my dashboard. What you can do is you can just enter right here your target location. I'll choose right here Chicago. Search for it and choose right here the places that you want. I'll choose right here Chicago, Illinois. And then after that, this should load. Now what we need to do is just need to click on this lead types. Since we're looking for vacant land, just scroll down and find right here vacant lots. So after that, it should be able to show you in here some results that have those. You have in here a lot, as you have noticed. So into this, what you can do next is you can proceed to just choose right here the option that you want. You can also add property types, sales price, and other more filters that we have right here, like owner filters, financial filters, and MLS filters. So if you click on a specific listing, you can see its actual value as well as some images if it's available. You can see the estimated value, if it's already been sold, the lot square feet, as well as the estimated property value, living area, and building area that it has available. Now you can head over and contact the owner by going to the owner option. You can get in here the details of those owners as well as the properties owned by this particular owner's portfolio. You can also see right here the history of this particular listing. It has a transfer method and warranty deed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.